Good morning. Today I am going to explain what is meant by an internal rate of return and net present value for a commerce study students under the course of business calculus and financial computation. First, my topic is internal rate of return. Internal rate of return is written as IRR. IRR is a metric used in financial analysis to estimate the profitability of potential investment. IRR is the discount rate that makes the net present value, that is NPV, of all cash flow equal to zero in a discounted cash flow analysis. IRR calculation rely on the same formula as NPV does. Keep in mind that IRR is not the actual dollar value of the project, it is the annual return that makes the NPV equal to zero. There are so many formulas to calculate IRR. My IRR formula is NPV, that is equal to 0, net present value equal to 0, sum of the time period from t is equal to 1 to t, Ct divided by 1 plus IRR whole power t minus C naught, where Ct is equal to net cash flow during the time period, C naught total initial investment, IRR is the internal rate of return, and T is the number of time periods. My next topic is what is meant by net present value. Basic financial concept of time value. Money states that money you have known is more valuable than the money you collect later on. This is because you can use it now to earn more money by running a business or buying something now and selling it later for more, and simply put it in a bank and earning more interest. The money received in the future is also less valuable because inflation erodes its purchasing power. But how do you compare the value of money when with the value of money in the future? This is where net present value plays an important role. Let us discuss what is net present value is. Net present value can be denoted as NPV, which is the sum of present value of cash flow and outflows. In other words, it is the difference between the present value of cash inflows and the present value of the cash outflows over some time. Net present value is calculated by using a simple formula. NPV is equal to R into 1 minus 1 plus I the whole power minus N divided by I minus initial investment for a business, where N is the total life, that may be of an year, months, or etc. I is the required rate of interest. R is the estimated period of net cash flow. Let us see with one example. One of our friend needs $5 now and promise to pay you back 500 in a year. Is that a fruitful investment when you can invest at 10% elsewhere? Money invested now, that is the initial payment is $500 and future value is, that is net present value is minus 500. Money received after 5 years is $570. So my net present value formula is FV divided by 1 plus R the whole power n. FV means the money received in the future. So 570 divided by 1 plus, my interest is 10%, so my R value is 0.10 for a period of 1 year, so whole power 1. If I solve this, I will get the answer as 518.1. I want to subtract this from the initial investment. My initial investment is 500, so I will get the profit of worth 18.18 at 10% of interest. This is how we will calculate our net present value. My second problem is, suppose a project requires an initial investment of $2 and it is expected to generate a cash flow of rupees 100 for 3 years and 1200 in the after 3 years. The target of the project is 10% per annum. Calculate the net present value. Here the money invested is 2000, so my present value will be minus 2000. We know the formula of present value. I am calculating it for 1, 2 and 3 years. Final year is calculated. The value is 1878.29. If I subtract it from my original 2000, I will get the profit of 126.97. It seems like a good investment. This is how we have to choose our project and invest our money for our future savings. Thank you.